On today's first look, we have a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. This is lot number 1332. I am joined here by our Ford expert and Shelby expert, Jason Billups. So Jason restores all my Shelbys, and he knows these cars very well. Tell us what makes it so unique and a little bit about this car, Jason.
Well, Craig, this car is actually one of the early first 100 Boss 429s. A lot of these cars were equipped from Dearborn with the original Super Cobra Jet engine and the 4-speed, and they were taken out at Carcraft and the Boss 429 engines were installed. This car currently has a correct HP early block, and it's still got some of its original features that are pretty unique to these cars, like the KKX spindles that you can't find anywhere. It has an early smooth chin spoiler that's just unobtainable. So it's got a lot of the original features. The sheet metal appears to be all original on the car. It's got the original rolled sheet metal fenders on the front, the rolled quarters in the back. Just a really, really beautiful black jade Boss 429.
Now, this car does have some day two add-ons that were done probably back in the day to make it a little more drivable, and you see it has BF Goodrich TA radials, a Hurst shifter.
Right.
So they made some updates so that it could be a good daily driver also.
Some of these cars, especially the early cars with the hydraulic camshafts, were a little bit anemic on the street, and the owner of this car has taken care of some of those issues by upgrading to the 4-speed shifter. He's added an MSD distributor. This car probably performs and handles way better than an original Boss 429 in factory equipped condition.
Yeah. So the best part of this beautiful black jade Boss 429 is selling at no reserve at our Scottsdale 2024 auction, January 20th through the 28th. Register to bid. See you there. And this one, you could drive home.